po ito. Siya po yung nag-guide sa amin sa branch, nag-encourage po sa amin lagi. Huwag ko nang patagalin. Alam niyo ba kung sino to? Hindi. Ano, coach? Ayan! Mga coaches po pala, palakpakan naman natin. Sinuporta nila ako ngayon. Oh my God. Grabe. Ayan. Huwag po natin patagalin. My beloved father. Second father, Senator Mom. Sir Louis Bartolome.
Hello, good evening everyone. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Ayan, sir.
Ayaw.
Sir,
Hindi rin ka sa gini.
sige.
Hindi siya. Iyan.
Okay. Sir, thank you.
Tapos na ba?
Hindi
Hindi pa
po.
kumakanta.
Hindi po.
Tayo muna ako.
Nagpapasalamat ako kasi binigyan niyo po ako ng trust. Oh my God! Sir, hindi kayo. Sorry. Ayan. Sir, basta, alam mo na yun.
Malayo na. Malayo.
Thank you, sir. Basta,
Thank you.
alam mo yan. Wala akong masabi, sir. Ayoko
Kumanta na lang
niya.
tayo.
Sige, sir. Maraming salamat kasi kakanta tayo, mag-duet, di ba?
Hindi. Solo ko lang ito.
Solo mo ba? Sige, sir.
Ano ka,
Samahan
suwag
niyo
mo
ako.
pa.
Sige.
Okay?
Kuya, go. A round of applause, please, for Sir Louis Bartolome.
Fancy meeting you alone in the night. Couldn't help but notice your smile. While everybody else around us is going about, can we just talk
Tapos na, sir.
and talk a while? Coach Ivy, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe then we could go for a ride. Drive out to the countryside. Get away from the rain. Running on the city light. Ooh. Talk and talk a while, get to know each other. Who are we to know? But we've been waiting at the end and the minute, so let's talk and talk a while. We just talk and talk a while, get to know each other. Who are we to know? But we'll be waiting at the end and then let's stop and talk a while. Coach Ivy, ladies and gentlemen.
Sir Louis. Thank you, sir. so much. Just.